Like, I am sick and tired of spending money. Who else is ready for fall? Because, baby, I'm ready for fall. Bleach, of course. You're not pouring bleach in your water, you ain't cleaning your dishes. Watermelon Rita. Hey besties, welcome back to another day in the life of a full-time digital entrepreneur, y'all. It is Thursday, I think August 7th. Y'all, I had to look that up before I got on here because I never know. And I'm getting ready to hop on live really quick, probably like 20 minutes, and then I'm heading out with my friend. We're about to go eat or probably go find a Mediterranean spot over in Houston just to get out and do stuff and find us some good old mocktails because she is on a fast. I'm not, but she is, but I'm gonna do a mocktail too. But right now it's currently 3:00 p.m. on the dot, and I just want to hop on live really quick because I haven't been on live for like 2 days and decided to go ahead and start another vlog. And I also wanted to show y'all this shirt. The shirt I showed y'all in the last vlog, y'all, I'm in love. The Jesus is King, the whole fit, not that it just says Jesus is King, but the fit of the shirt, y'all, is like perfect when it comes to a t-shirt. The fit and the material. So when I take it off, I'm gonna actually look at the tag because I need to know who made this t-shirt. Well, let me show y'all the back. Even though y'all already seen it, I'm gonna show y'all again. Y'all, I'm trying to rig up this light. But anyways, y'all, the back of the shirt, can y'all see that? Like the back of the shirt, y'all, I just love it. I don't know if y'all can just tell on camera, but I'm in love. Down to the sleeves. And I just paired it with the green. Okay, I thought that was her. I was about to say I thought that was her, but I paired it with the green pants. Let me show y'all. So yeah, I literally just paired it with these green pants. These are also the pants that I got from the place. Lightweight. But y'all, enough of me rambling. Let me hop on this live because I'm not going to be able to be on here long. And y'all, can y'all believe I still have no lashes? No lashes. I look so different. But I do got a lash appointment tomorrow at 12 p.m. But anyways, besties, I'll come back and talk to y'all in just a minute. Where's your camera? Don't matter.
Be green in there, you want to do black? I think we should do black.
It doesn't matter.
Over there.
Okay. I know. It's pretty out here. I like the lights too. The light fixtures. I love a cute aesthetic place. Aesthetically pleasing.
Yeah. Between that and not eating.
What are you looking for?
We'll definitely have to come back here. Looks like they got some good ideas, some good food ideas.
So this is the drink, y'all. It's a mocktail. What is it called again? Sugarland Sunset, and it's pineapple, coconut, and I can't remember what else. Something else.
My own shake.
I had it.
Excuse me.
I'm gonna send it back if it's nasty.
Yep. Bye. He's talking about no.
Mint mojito and what is yours? Watermelon what? Like slush?
Melon mint juice.
Oh, juice. All right, y'all. I just made it home. Y'all, I don't even got my watch. When I come home, one thing about me, as y'all see, I got on one earring. I get out of my clothes, and depending on what time it is, I'm going straight to the shower. Like, I literally am at my best when I'm at home, in my freaking bed, or in my recliner. So I literally just got home, took off my earrings. I'm about to take off these glasses, take off this jewelry, and I am about to take me a shower and relax for the rest of the night. It's probably like 9 o'clock or almost 9 o'clock. Just made it, had a good little evening outing with my friend. We had a great time. But y'all, when I tell y'all I'll be so happy when I'm at home, I don't know if I'm getting old or what it is. No, it ain't that I'm getting old. I always been like this, y'all. It's just getting worse, y'all. Who else like that? Just love to be at home. Like, I like to go out. I like to have fun, but I'm that friend, baby, we got to put a limit on it. We not staying out all night. Let's go out for a few hours, and then I'm fine going home. Go ahead and take me back to the house. So I'm at the house, y'all. I'm getting ready to take me a shower, and probably not going to come back on camera until tomorrow. So just want to come close out the day, and we will pick up in the morning. Good night, besties. Before I go, y'all, these two right here, or these two right here, this is the combination you need. This cocoa butter oil with the EOS lotion when you get out the shower. Thank me later. Hey y'all, it is the next day, y'all. Anybody else, when they get in their car and run into like a spider web, now you think you got a spider on you? I don't know if it's just me, but whenever I hit a spider web, I'm like, where's the spider, baby? Where is the freaking spider? Now I keep thinking a spider on me, and it's probably not, but it's because I walked into a web. Anyways, y'all, it is Friday morning. Happy Friday. And guess where I'm headed, y'all? To get my lashes done. This will be the last time y'all see me without lashes for right now. And I am going to get my lashes done. I have an appointment at 12. It is 11:44. So perfect timing. And I need to clean out my car. It's not bad, but I still got the Zaxby's cup in here. My kids had this from when I took them school shopping, so I need to just kind of get all the trash out. For the most part, that's pretty much it. I don't think I need to vacuum, but I may do that when I leave the lash appointment. I don't know, but probably not. I'm probably coming back home, y'all, because I just want to go get these lashes done, come back home, and then just kind of work on some business related stuff. And that's pretty much it, y'all. I've been trying to plan out my content so I can get back to like doing the little sit down videos and the different tutorials and like just different things when it comes to learning how to sell digital products online. So I've been trying to like come up with topics and stuff like that. So soon to come, be on the lookout for my videos going back to, I'm still gonna vlog, but I'm also gonna start back incorporating those like educational tutorial style videos when it comes to like different things that people want to know. And I'm gonna try to do my videos based on the questions I get is what I'm gonna kind of use, because I'm using that thinking, you know, this is what people want to know. So I'm gonna use the questions that y'all ask like in my comments and my DMs and turn them into videos. So that's what I'm planning on doing. But y'all, let me get going. It does take me about 10 minutes to get there. I had my coffee this morning. I haven't eaten any breakfast, but I got me a little quick little cereal bar. If you don't eat these, y'all, these are good. It's just the great value ones. These are the ones I like, but I'm gonna eat this real quick just so I can put something on my stomach, because it's literally probably going to be like 1:30, 2 o'clock by the time she get done, especially since I have no lashes on and she already take forever. But hopefully me not having lashes makes it easier and she works faster, I hope. Lashes are done. Your girl is back, y'all, and she actually finished at 1:08. My appointment was at 12, so 1 hour and 8 minutes. Like, I can rock with that. I can rock with a little over an hour. 2 hours, I can't rock with that, but got that done. So now I'm about to head over to Tropical Smoothie real quick, grab me a protein shake. Probably gonna get the peanut something, I don't know, it's called peanut power or something, I don't know, but I'm about to go grab a shake simply because it's 1:15. I haven't eaten anything, and then I'm headed home, y'all. I don't got any errands I need to run, and if I do have errands, I'm not going to do them because I don't feel like spending no money. So we are about to do that and then head back to the house. Yes, y'all. And why everything got a cost? Like, I'm so tired of spending money. Like, I'm tired of it. Like, I am sick and tired of spending money. And it's hot out here. It's like 90-something degrees, y'all. Who else is ready for fall? Because, baby, I'm ready for fall. I'm not winter. I'm ready for fall. When the weather is, like, cool, but not cold and not hot. The trees are orange, yellow, brown. The leaves are falling. You know, just that fall. It's something about that fall. How can I say it? That fall weather that just makes me happy. Fall has always been my favorite month. My birthday's in fall, so in November. But I love fall, y'all. I'm ready to decorate. I think I'm going to start decorating for fall early. I usually don't start decorating until like mid-September or end of September. But I think I'm going to start decorating early. And when I say ready for fall, y'all, I'm not talking about y'all, those of y'all who like to skip fall and go right on into Christmas decorating. No. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. Fall has its own season. That's the pumpkins, the leaves, you know, the harvest, the hay, and all of that. Not the people who like to just go straight into decorating for winter. You already got out this winter wonderland and all that. No, baby, we not skipping fall. We don't skip fall in my house, baby. Fall decor stays out the longest. Like, I am literally that girl I'm decorating for fall, and Christmas decor is not going out until after Thanksgiving, probably the 1st of December. That's when you see Christmas stuff. I feel like for Thanksgiving, your fall decor should still be out. If I come to your house to eat for Thanksgiving, I should not be looking at red and green and silver and gold and the white and the blue y'all be doing for the Wonderland and all that. Like, no, it's Thanksgiving. We should be looking at leaves, hay, pumpkins, like the harvest, like that fall. Y'all know what I mean. The people who get it, get it. Because you got two different kinds of people. You got those people who gonna have their Christmas shit out by the time you eat Thanksgiving, and then you got the people who not taking their Thanksgiving stuff down until after Thanksgiving. That's me. I mean, they fall stuff down until after Thanksgiving, y'all. But enough of my little rants. I am about to go grab me a smoothie and then head home. Yep, talk to y'all later. So I stopped by Tropical Smoothie, got me a peanut paradise, is what it's called. Peanut paradise, y'all, with pea protein. I think I got it a couple of vlogs back. It has a lot of protein in it, so. But I'm at home, getting ready to wash these dishes from this morning, from breakfast. I didn't have time to wash them because I had my Lash appointment, so I'm about to just make some dishwater real quick. Bleach, of course. If you're not pouring bleach in your water, you ain't cleaning your dishes. I'm gonna say it every time. But yeah, it's not a lot. Just a few pans, couple pieces of silverware. And I'm gonna let it soak first, and then I'm gonna just wash these dishes to get them out of the way, because baby, I can't stand no messy kitchen. Kitchen clean. I went ahead and just washed the dishes, got it over with. Now I'm about to work on content, y'all. This has been my Friday. It's 2 o'clock on the dot. Pretty much got my lashes done, posted to my group chat, checked on my podcast, responded to emails. Now I'm about to upload a reel to Instagram, upload a short to YouTube, and then I'm fixing to sit down and probably record a sit down video, y'all. I hope, if nothing comes up. So that's what I'm about to do now, and I will talk to y'all a little bit later on in the day. Somebody gonna have a party. What? We'll do El Toro. Let's go eat and watch the game. Texans. Say hey to the vlog, babe. It's on right now, right? 3:20. Unless it's on the other side. Other side. Food is fine. We want to see by the TVs so we can see. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Can you see? Game on. So I'm getting a watermelon Rita. This one right here, Don Julio and Grand Marnier. He's getting a beer Rita. You got a beer Rita, right? Always queso for appetizer. Watermelon Rita and beer Rita. Come on, let's go, Slowpoke. Get up.
And eat for free.
I ain't eat for free at LOU. You gotta do all that.
Have a good day, guys.
Thank you.
Oh.